guys, welcome to my channel again. I hope you all are doing good. And this vlog is going to be about the stay at Citymax Hotel Dubai. So let's get started. Here is the entrance to the room. आप जैसे ही एंटर करोगे लेफ्ट साइड पे आती है वॉशरूम. There is a big sized mirror, towels are of course provided. It also has an attached bathtub with shower gel given, but there is no separate shower area. अपना था रूम नंबर 122 फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे. इधर आके जाके लेफ्ट पे आती है एसी की कंट्रोल सिस्टम. देयर वाज नो रिमोट गिवन. We got two complimentary water bottles, some tea, coffee sachet, electric kettle जो हमारे काफ़ी काम आई. Then we have these hangers given which are really useful throughout the trip. And there have been no wardrobes as such provided, but आपको ऐसे cabinets type के मिल जाएंगी for storage. Then you get a queen size bed with two reading lamps, bedside tables on both the sides with some storage available again. हमारा हमको एक्चुअली दो सिंगल बेड वाली रूम मिली थी initially, and then upon request we got it converted to this one which has a queen size bed. Here you have a study table with a laptop pad given so you can get the space to sit and do your work. This is the view from our room जो कि first floor पे था. It was a decent view, to be honest. I had no complaints, and we also got to see some fancy cars around this area. But if you wish, you can also request to get a room on any of the upper floors as per the availability. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं we have a TV opposite to the bed and a large sized mirror, so you can take pictures of your outfit of the day just before you head out for your trip. So this was all about the complete room tour in our Citymax hotel. If you like the video, please do hit the like button and stay tuned for the upcoming vlogs. Thank you.